Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Sally Hansen all-over body wax kit is probably one of the most convenient and effective at-home hair removal solutions available, offering a salon-like experience without the hefty price tag or the need to book an appointment. This kit is designed for ease of use, allowing you to tackle unwanted hair on various parts of your body, from legs and arms to the bikini line, with confidence and precision. If you're looking for smooth, long-lasting results and a way to achieve that silky soft skin you've always desired, all within the comfort of your own home, then this product might just be your new best friend in your beauty arsenal. Number 5. Tress Wellness Award-winning Waxing Kit. Introducing the award-winning waxing kit, designed for your sensitive skin. Achieve professional results easily at home. This kit is safe for use on your face and body. Enjoy a comfortable waxing experience wherever you need it. Perfect for face, bikini, Brazilian, and full body waxing. Get salon-quality smoothness without leaving your house. Featuring a convenient digital display for precise temperature control. It ensures optimal performance every time. This elegant waxing kit comes in a stylish black and purple flower design. It looks as good as it performs. Experience the ultimate in at-home hair removal. It's the perfect solution for achieving smooth, radiant skin. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for sensitive skin, ensuring a gentle experience. Its digital display offers precise temperature control for safety and ease of use. If you have sensitive skin or are new to waxing at home, this is a great option for a comfortable full-body treatment. What people say. The wax is easy to apply and remove. It comes with everything you need to get started. The strips are a good size and don't tear easily. Number 4. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit. Discover the ultimate waxing experience with our premium kit. It's designed for both women and men, making at-home waxing simple and effective. This kit is perfect for beginners, offering everything you need in one package. Achieve professional results with ease, right in your own home. You'll receive a generous 14 ounces of high-quality wax beads to ensure you have enough for multiple uses. Enjoy smooth skin without frequent repurchasing. Our kit includes all the essential tools, from applicators to pre- and post-care solutions. We've thought of everything to make your waxing process comfortable and clean. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, this waxing solution minimizes irritation. Enjoy a smooth finish without the discomfort often associated with hair removal. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to your beauty routine. It's a stylish addition to any personal care collection. What we like. This option is perfect for beginners, offering everything you need in one package. It's also formulated for sensitive skin, making it a comfortable choice for those new to at-home waxing. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-inclusive starter kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The wax is easy to use and effective for removing hair. The kit includes everything you need for a complete waxing experience. The instructions are clear and concise, making the process straightforward. Number 3. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse Hair Formula. Introducing our powerful hard wax beads, specifically formulated to tackle coarse hair. Say goodbye to stubborn regrowth and hello to smooth skin. This formula is perfect for a variety of areas, including your face, bikini line, underarms, and even larger areas like your back and chest. Achieve professional results at home. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our sea salt and surf scent. It makes your hair removal session feel like a spa treatment. Our convenient 1-pound refill bag ensures you have enough product for multiple waxing sessions. It's designed to work seamlessly with your wax warmers. We've included 10 large applicator sticks to make the waxing process even easier. Get precise application every time for optimal results. Experience smooth, hair-free skin that lasts. Our hard wax beads provide an effective and efficient way to remove unwanted hair. What we like. This formula is specifically created to tackle coarse hair effectively, ensuring a thorough removal. It's a great refill option if you already own a wax warmer. If you have stubborn, coarse hair and are looking for a powerful solution for areas like the back or chest, this is your go-to. What people say. The wax strips are pre-cut to the perfect size for easy application and removal. The kit includes a soothing post-wax oil that helps to calm the skin and prevent irritation. It's effective for removing even fine hairs, leaving skin smooth for weeks. Number 2. BLITZWAX Brazilian Bikini Waxing Kit. Achieve smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of your own home. This kit is designed for easy, effective hair removal. Perfect for beginners, this kit makes waxing simple and stress-free. Get professional results without the salon hassle. Experience rapid, digital temperature control for optimal waxing. It heats up quickly, so you can start your treatment sooner. This kit is ideal for various areas, including your face, legs, and bikini line. Enjoy smooth skin all over. Everything you need for a complete waxing experience is included. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the tools for success. Specifically designed for Brazilian and bikini waxing, it provides a gentle yet thorough hair removal. Get ready with confidence. What we like? Experience rapid hair removal with its fast heating technology, perfect for quick at-home sessions. This kit is designed to be beginner-friendly, making the process straightforward. If you're looking for an efficient and easy-to-use kit for Brazilian and bikini waxing, especially if you're a beginner, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wax is easy to apply and remove, making the whole process quick and painless. It comes with a variety of sizes for different areas of the body, which is very convenient. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including detailed instructions. Number 1. GiGi All-Purpose Honee Soft Wax. Introducing GiGi All-Purpose Honee Soft Wax, your solution for smooth, hair-free skin. This gentle formula is perfect for both face and body. Our unique honey formula warms up easily in the microwave, creating a smooth consistency. It spreads effortlessly for a comfortable waxing experience. Experience the difference as it glides on smoothly, making application a breeze. It's designed for easy and effective use. This soft wax effectively removes unwanted hairs from the root. Enjoy salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Ideal for waxing delicate areas like your face, as well as larger areas like legs and arms. Achieve smooth skin all over. Transform your routine with at-home salon treatments. Get professional results without the salon price tag. What we like? Enjoy the convenience of a microwavable honey formula that spreads incredibly smoothly for an even application. It's designed for gentle hair removal, making it suitable for delicate areas. If you prefer a soft wax that glides on easily and offers a gentle yet effective removal for your face, arms, or legs, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The wax is easy to use and applies smoothly. It effectively removes hair from large areas of the body. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete waxing session. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.